Welcome to Explore Abroad, where we'll turn your travel dreams into real life journeys. If you're planning to apply for a student visa in this 2025, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to apply for a student visa step by step, no matter which country you are going to. So stay with me until the end of this video so that you can learn something very meaningful. Whether you are headed to the US, Canada, UK, Germany, or Australia, or anywhere else in the world, this process will help you to apply for your student visa with confidence and avoid common mistakes. Step 1. Get your admission and offer letter. Before you can apply for a student visa, you must first apply to a recognized university or college abroad. And secondly, you must receive an official admission or offer letter, because most countries, this offer letter or admission letter is mandatory before you can apply for your student visa. Before you can start your visa application, you must first have this offer letter or admission letter from a recognized university or college. Step 2, you must understand the student visa requirement before you start your student visa application, because each country has its own rules. But most student visa require the following document: a valid international passport, proof of admission, that is offer letter, proof of funds, that is a bank statement, sponsor letter or a scholarship letter, academic transcript or certificate, language test course like IELT, TOEFL, and the rest of it, visa application form, visa fee, passport photograph size, visa application fee, medical or police clearance in some countries. If you want to know about this, you have to check the official website of your destination country to see the requirement for the student visa, because each country has its own requirements. Step 3, pay the tuition deposit if required, because many schools require you to pay part of your tuition fee upfront to confirm your spot in the university or in the college. After payment, you usually receive a confirmation letter or a visa support document. And this brings us to step 4, prepare financial proof. You need to show a proof that you can afford the following: living expenses, tuition fee, living expenses for at least minimum of 1 year, tuition fee, travel and other costs. Example of accepted proof of funds are bank statement 3 to 6 months, loan approval letter, scholarship letter, sponsor letter. If someone is sponsoring you, you need to provide the sponsor letter plus the financial document of the person sponsoring you. And step 5, this is when you start to fill out the visa application form. You need to visit the embassy website or visa portal of your study country. Carefully fill out the visa application form and upload documents if required. Then double check all your informations before you submit to avoid errors or mistakes. And step 6, pay the visa application fee. Fees vary depending on the country. Pay online or through the bank as instructed by the website or by the portal or by your country of study. And also save your payment receipt, because you may need them later. Step 7, this is now time for you to book and attend your visa interview appointment. Schedule an appointment at your local embassy or visa centers like VFS, TLS, or directly at the country embassy. Bring all your required documents and the original document, and be prepared to answer questions like: why do you want to study in this country? How will you fund your education? What are your plans after graduation? Let me also give you a tip. Confidence and honesty are key during your visa interview, so always give clear and truthful answers, and do not over explain yourself. Also, do not argue with the visa officers. And step 8, wait for the visa decision. Processing time varies. It can take 2 to 8 weeks depending on the country. Some countries offer priority or express services. You will be notified when your visa is ready or if more document is required or needed from you. And this brings us to the final step, which is step 9. Get ready to travel. Once your visa is approved, book your flight tickets, organize your accommodation, prepare your travel documents and essentials. Get excited. Your journey to study abroad just begins. Here are also some bonus tips for you. 1. Apply early, at least 3 to 4 months before your course of study will start. Secondly, avoid agents promising you guaranteed visa. Always try to verify informations. Thirdly, keep both hard and digital copies of all your documents. And lastly, stay updated with the embassy's announcement. Thanks for watching Explore Abroad, your trusted guide to visa success and global travel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you're applying to study abroad soon. I'd love to hear where. See you in the next video, and bye.